Kung ayaw po ng bahay, pwede rin ho ba ng cash loan? Ayan. Can you tell us more about the multi-purpose loan?
Yes
Yun
po.
yata yung nakukuha kong text palagi.
Yes, ma'am.
Multi-purpose
Posible
loan,
po.
sabi
Yes,
niya
ma'am.
ganun. Sige nga po,
Ang
ma'am.
multi-purpose loan po is a loan against your savings.
Base yun sa savings.
Yes, ma'am. Kung
Oo.
magkano po yung savings po natin, 80% of that, pwede mo po siyang i-loan.
Kaya pala sabi dito, ayan o, kumpletong pangalan. You are now qualified for a Pag-ibig multi-purpose
Yes,
loan.
yes, ma'am.
Apply now and receive your loan in as fast as 3 days. Ganun
Yes,
kabilis.
ma'am. Pwede po kasi kayong mag-file ng loan even through your phones. Pwede na rin po yun. Yun po is 80% on against your savings. So kung magkano po yung savings po natin, 80% nun, pwede po natin siyang ma-loan. Pwede po natin siyang bayaran ng 2 years or 3 years. Ang kagandahan po niyan, kahit po kayo nag-loan on your savings, pag nag-announce po kami ng dividend, buong pera po ninyo ang merong dividend. Hindi po tinatanggal yung niloan ninyo. So, hindi po nababawasan yan. Buong pa rin po yung inyong savings kay Pag-ibig Fund po.
Pag nag-multi-purpose loan ako or nag-housing loan ako, pwede bang mag-housing loan or multi-purpose loan din? Dalawa,
Yes po.
sabay?
Yes po, pwede po yun.
Basta
Ang,
qualified.
ang importante lang po, update kung kasi kung nag-multipurpose loan ka, tapos mag-housing loan ka, na-updated lang po yung inyong multipurpose loan, wala na pong problema. Pwede na po tayong mag-housing loan po. Pwede po siyang sabay. In fact, kahit sa housing loan, pwede pong multi loans. Marami na po. Hanggat hindi ka umaabot sa 6 million, 2 million lang initial mo, and then may nakita kang panibagong bahay na gusto mo ulit bilhin, worth 4 million, pwede ka ulit mag-housing loan for 4 million, provided kaya po ng inyong income, but not to exceed 6 million po. So, pwede pong sabay-sabay.
Paano po ang bayaran nun? Automatic deduction sa sweldo?
Kung gusto nyong mas convenient po sa inyo, mas maganda kung automatic from the salary, deduction from the salary. Although, sabi nga po namin, meron po tayong GCash, pero po, pwede rin po kayo mag-pay kasi through GCash eh.
I was gonna ask kasi kagaya po ako, voluntary. So, wala, hindi regular na empleyado. So, hindi ma-automatic debit.
Pwede rin po. Hindi naman po required na payroll deduction. Pwede naman po kasing over the counter. Pwede naman pong yung cheque, yung post-dated checks. Pwede po yun. O pwede naman pong through GCash. Through GCash, through Paymaya, through SM. Napakarami na po namin collecting partners. So, they can choose from all these collecting partners. At saka on time po naman po ang pag-credit po sa ating pong
Pwede po
ledger.
ba yun ma-arrange na kunwari may certain bank ako, i-automatic debit na ng bangko ko papuntang Pag-ibig? Is that something na ina-arrange?
Pwede po. I suppose pwede din po yan.
Kasi
Automatic
minsan
deduction.
yun nakakalimot
Yes
or
po.
hassle pa,
Opo.
pero
Yung
automatic na
yung
lang.
po yung kagandahan doon. Kaya marami nagpo-post-dated checks na lang para hindi na nila iisipin or ina-arrange sila with the bank. Pwede naman po yun. I-arrange po beforehand.
Okay, in times of calamity, pwede rin po ba, maaasahan din po ba ang Pag-ibig?
Yes, ma'am. As soon as yung ating pong area na declare na po as a calamity area, meron din po tayong calamity loan. Mas mababa po ang interest rate ito, 5.95% lang po ito. At again, it's against your savings pa rin po. It's against your savings pa rin. So, but again, hindi naman po natin ginagalaw yung savings. Your savings still earns dividend even if you continue to get loans from Pag-ibig Fund.